Hello there and welcome to TAPSWAP Daily Task 1 and 2 for today, August 3rd. Alright, if this is your first time stepping by, I want to say thank you to you and still appreciate you. And for all the other subscribers, gracias. Alright, remember to subscribe, like and share the video, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be the very first to get notified once I drop the next video. Okay? Also leave in the comments where you're watching from and what challenges you're having with TAPSWAP. Alright, let the conversation continue. Okay, to get started with TAPSWAP, just get a link in the description and also join my Telegram channel with a link in the description. Alright, so let's go ahead and fix it. Let's start with the first hot news. And on this hot news, the code is 5FR63U. Let's check. Absolutely correct. Congratulations, you grabbed that 400k. And then we go on to the second, which is the second task. And here we have the word LEDGER, ledger. Let's check. Absolutely congratulations. So those are the two codes for the first task and the second task of the day. 5FR63U and second task ledger. First task 5FR63U, second task ledger. Go ahead and input it. Make sure you watch the video, and get the lessons there, and then go ahead. Like this second video, it's about making $30 per word with typing. So, and the sites where you can do all this were listed. So just take advantage of this and upgrade your skill level and your income. Alright, thank you very much. Go ahead and like and share the video, and let's see in the next. Thank you and God bless you.